Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Shaw satellite receiver suddenly stops working and your channels are missing or the screen does not look the way it normally should, it can definitely be frustrating. Sometimes the receiver powers on but nothing loads, while other times the picture disappears or certain functions stop responding completely. A situation like this can happen because of loose cables, signal interruptions, setup changes, or the receiver simply needing a quick refresh. Before assuming something major is going on, there are a few simple things worth checking because many receiver issues can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help you figure out why your Shaw satellite receiver is not working. Try these. Step 1. Check the cable connection attached to the Shaw satellite receiver and make sure everything fits securely. Step 2. Remove power from the Shaw satellite receiver for a short moment before turning it back on. Step 3. Confirm the TV input connected to the Shaw satellite receiver matches the correct source option. Step 4. Check whether outdoor weather conditions may be affecting the Shaw satellite receiver signal temporarily. Step 5. Review the display on the Shaw satellite receiver and look for any unusual messages or missing signal information. Step 6. Test channel loading on the Shaw satellite receiver and confirm normal service begins working again.